Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new starter rope in your string trimmer. First, I'll need to tie a knot in one end of the rope. And I'll set the rope aside. The next thing I need to do is to retension the recoil spring. To do that, I'll rotate the pulley, which will put tension into the spring. In this case, I rotate the pulley counterclockwise, and that may be a little different depending on your tool. The way to tell which way it needs to rotate is when the spring recoils back, it should do it in a direction that will pull the rope into the starter housing and around the pulley. And like I say, in this case, that's counterclockwise. I'll rotate the pulley about 8 or 9 full turns. And again, that will vary depending on the size and model of your tool. I want to be careful as I do this that I don't let the pulley slip from my hands, as it can cut you. With the spring tension, now I can install the rope onto the pulley. I'll thread the end of the rope that doesn't have the knot through the hole in the pulley. And then through the hole in the housing. Now in the middle of the rope, I'll tie a temporary knot. Now I can reinstall the handle. I'll thread the rope through the starter handle, and then my starter uses this metal clip. And I'll thread the rope through it, and then tie a knot. And I'll pull the knot into the opening in the starter handle. Now I can untie the temporary knot and allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. And now I can reinstall the starter. And I'll secure the lower portion of the starter with the 2 screws. I'll leave the screws loose for now. Now I'll reinstall the housing. And the 2 top screws. I'll go ahead and tighten up the 4 screws that secure the starter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the muffler cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new starter rope in your string trimmer.